Vier. So here comes the simple V, and the best way to remember how to pronounce it is to remember how to say this number in English. 4. Yes, the Germans will most of the time pronounce this letter like you would pronounce the English F. Like here in this number, 4. Some other examples are Vater, verkaufen, viel, vielleicht. But sometimes, just sometimes, it will be pronounced like the German W. Remember? V, like in the words Vampir or Vulkan. You could say that most of the words that are originally German will pronounce this letter as an F, while words borrowed from other languages will pronounce a V sound. But if you ask me, I would say that the easiest way for you to know exactly is to just remember the pronunciation when you learn the word. Let's go on and look at the middle of this small word. We are just getting started. Remember the I? Watch out, because this is really similar but completely different. I-E. I-E will be pronounced like a long, slow E, like for example in cheese. Another German diphthong. A few more examples for this sound would be lieben, to love, or Bier, beer. Ich liebe Bier. And this is not all. This small word holds even more secrets to the German pronunciation. We talked about the German R before, and listen to it here. Vier. You don't hear the R? Listen again. Vier. Nothing? Exactly. This is one example for the silent R, the one that gets pronounced like a reduced A and is found in words ending in ER. Vier. We are finally ready to move to the next one. Slow counting, right? 5. Look at the smiley face here. Ü. How to pronounce that? I have a few tips for you. The first one is to form your mouth like you want to say a U, like in soup, for example. But instead of saying a U, you say the letter E. So let's try it. Soup. Ü. The next way to practice it is to try to say the word eat. And while you are pronouncing the E from eat, try to make your lips a little bit more rounder. When you get round enough, you will have the sound. Let's try it. Eat. E. If you want to practice a little bit more, there is also a third way. Form your lips like you're getting ready to kiss someone and try to pronounce the letter U. U. That's it. This is more or less considered to be one of the hardest sounds in the German language for English speakers. So don't worry if you don't get it right away. A little bit of practice and you'll be there. 4, 5. IE will be pronounced like a long, slow E. Most of the words that are originally German will pronounce this letter as an F, while words borrowed from other languages will pronounce a V sound. Ü.